Hey, what's up guys, this is your friend Captain Javas back with another weekly tech updates, and this is a part, or you can say episode 28 of it. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started. 30 Exon 40. This is a really good smartphone because it got under display camera. However, this one has been launched with a 16 megapixel under display camera, and it also supports for a 4K video recording for the front side, which is a really nice thing. Also on the top of it, this is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and the phone looks really nice. Motorola has launched a budget-based device known by Motorola E32. This is launched with the Unisoc T606 processor. However, this phone is going to be under 10,000 as per the rumors and the stuff. And it is going to be coming in India or not, this is a kind of question. Phone got a 16 megapixel sensor and it is a typical Motorola style phone. Motorola G82. The smartphone has been rumored from a lot of times, and as per the rumors, May 10 the Motorola's event is there, and this smartphone has been going to be launching as per some rumors, and there are some few expectations in the launch as per TWS and a smartwatch from the Motorola. So I'm super excited for the smartwatch and TWS. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Motorola Edge 30. The smartphone is going to be launching in India by the May 12, and this is a 5G based smartphone. And there is only one big change over here as per the Motorola Edge 30 Pro, which is a processor, which is a Snapdragon 778G Plus, and this smartphone got a 5G based modem, which is a 5G based phone, which is a really nice thing. Triple camera setup, and it also got the Motorola's typical style design. This is a really nice news from the Lenovo. They are going to updating the complete lineup of the Lenovo's Yoga Slim laptops, which is a really nice thing, and the lock, the lock systems are going to be available for the June, which is also a really nice thing. Poco M4 5G. This is a really kind of a budget-based device. It got a MediaTek Dimensity 700. It also got a 5G 90Hz display, and the phone looks really nice as per the design for the rear panel. On the front side, it got the water drop notch display, which is kind of old style of thing, and this is priced at 13,000 INR rupees. And on the Flipkart, I don't know about the fluctuation of price. And if it comes under around the deal, and you can definitely grab this phone because of the 5G connectivity. Redmi Note 11T and 11T Pro. Yeah, 11 series is still going on. 12 series we will be seeing soon. By the time this phone is going to be expecting to launch in May in China, soon to India, and this smartphone gonna be having a 6.66 inches of display, and also it's gonna be having AMOLED display as per some rumors, and a higher refresh rate too. I'm super excited because of the rebranding and that stuff. You're gonna be seeing that thing. Redmi Note 11 series, a successor is going to be coming. This smartphone is going to be completely different as per some rumors and the Redmi, and this smartphone is going to be having a performance-oriented processor. So kind of the same MediaTek Dimensity based chipset gonna be powered in this phone. And this smartphone is gonna be different as per the Redmi things, and definitely it's gonna be different. But 11 successor, you're gonna be seeing a different type of typical name from the Redmi. Realme GT Neo 3. This smartphone is launched in India with a typical price 39,000 around, and yeah, 37,000 by the way. The smartphone got a typical Realme style design, and it looks really nice. I like the blue color mode. And by the way, the smartphone also got the OIS 8100, not the max version, 8100 Dimensity, and it is typical priced, and it is expected more from this one, but it is okay type of phone. Also on the top of it, Realme has launched the TVs, which is a Realme Smart TV X FHD. This is priced at 23,000 INR rupees, and it is a typical TV. If you are looking for one, they have launched one. So yeah, you can grab this one also. Okay, Oppo Reno 8. I'm not excited for the smartphone because just 7 came up, and now 8 is coming. It is typical thing going on, by the way. So this smartphone is going to be having Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, and the smartphone gonna be seen in India by the end of the June. Yeah. Also in some sort of thing, I'm super excited for the processor. Before that, if anyone launches, yeah, it's gonna be a different taste. Also, this series Oppo Reno 8 gonna be having different versions. 8 Lite, 8 and the 8 Pro. and as per some renders and other stuff, it looks a lot similar to the 7. Yeah, if you are launching smartphones on daily basis, then you're gonna be seeing similarities between them. Also on the top of it, there will be a 5G based, not the 4G based light version, which is a really nice thing. Finally, we are moving into Oppo Reno 8 5G light now. Vivo T1 Pro, and definitely what is going on between Vivo and iQOO, I don't know. This is a complete rebrand of the iQOO Z6, and yeah, complete rebrand of the iQOO Z6 Pro and the Z6 44 watt. Kind of a them. I was excited for both this phone, but when I came around with the specification, it is a completely similar to each other. Also on the top of it, design is also similar, and even though they also got only one changes, which is the branding name. So I was excited, but now it is okay. It is same the price as the iQOO, and same as the iQOO Z6 Pro and Vivo T1 Pro. Both are similar. Okay, OnePlus Nord 3 is going to be coming. It has been spotted on the Indian-based website for the OnePlus, and it is kind of a typical OnePlus style phone. And surely it won't be rebrand or anything going on between the BBQ mobiles. I don't know anything about that thing. OnePlus 10 Ultra. The smartphone is going to be coming in super future because it's going to be having a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, and yeah. It is definitely going to be looking a lot similar in the specification there stuff by the 8 Gen 1 as per me, but it's going to be having some tweaks and there stuff more optimized. Anyways, the smartphone is going to be coming really in the future, but the processor expected. OnePlus 10R. The smartphone is launched in India, and just I told you Realme GT Neo 3, and this is a kind of a that rebrand of that complete design. And the complete design, complete box, complete that alert slider, everything has been moved from this phone. And the only difference on this phone before the physical difference, which is the Snapdragon 8100, not the Snapdragon, MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max. Yeah, that's all. It is completely looking a lot like a Realme GT Neo 3 has per the design. Only the camera has been bigger. So yeah, that's only the difference. OnePlus Ace, or you can say OnePlus 10R. Yeah, the smartphone is having a lot of heating issues, and the heating goes up to 64 degrees, which is kind of hard to believe, but it has been seen around the internet. You know, last year in July, if you know around with the tech updates, we weren't updating you with that thing. Anyways, there was OnePlus pad spotted on the OnePlus website, all the certification there or stuff, and now we are seeing that same thing again in India-based website, and this is going to be looking a lot similar than that thing. So I don't know what they are doing a complete 1 year, and I'm excited for the tablet because we are seeing a lot of tablets from nowadays. Okay, nothing phone 1. The smartphone is creating a lot of hype, and I'm super excited for the smartphone. Also on the top of it, it's gonna be having 90Hz display, Samsung E4 AMOLED as per some rumors. Also on the top of it, this smartphone is going to be having dual camera setup, and yeah, keeping aside that two cameras, there are some rumors it's gonna be having 15 plus 2 plus 2, but I gonna be thinking 50 plus 8 plus 2. So that's the trend going on between the ultra wide and that macro depth sensors. Anyways, one of the person asked on the Carl-Page Twitter account about the launch date of this phone, and it definitely blown out 69 at 420. And this is kind of a American, or you can say US based format, and he told me that this smartphone is going to be launching in the summer. So yeah, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section down below. Should you want to be buying this Nothing Phone 1? That also let us know in the comment section. This is a super exciting news from the Huawei Mate 50. This smartphone is going to be launching really soon, and this smartphone is going to be having 5G. Yes, it is a really nice thing, and this is not a rebrand from the Honor or anything like that. This smartphone is going to be having Huawei's own 5G solution, which is a really nice thing, and we're going to be seeing a different type of Kirin processor, which is also super excited for me. So this is kind of a different type of news. Lava, yeah, they are launching some good smartphones which are budget based and oriented based smartphone, and in a past time they have launched Lava Z3, and it is a really nice phone. and that phone got the Android 12 update. It is around 7,509 rupees, which is a really nice thing. Clean Android 12, nothing on the top of it from the lava, which is a really nice thing. Updates are being provided, super good thing. Also on the top of it, Lava is going to be planning two different type of 5G based smartphones. Yeah, which is under 15,000 as per some rumors, and a flagship based 5G phone, which is a budget killer, or you can say the mid-range based phone. And I'm super excited for that mid-range guy. And we are seeing a lot of phones, and as per some rumors, that under 15,000 phone gonna be having Mediatek Dimensity 700 based processor. And I'm thinking, what that guy gonna be having, that mid-range guy? Dimensity 920? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. Apple Watch Series SE. Yeah, second generation. I'm super excited for the smartphone, and this is a budget based. That's the reason we are seeing a lot of things from the Apple in the budget based nowadays. Anyways, the smartphone is going to be not the smartphone, this smartwatch. Yeah, it happens. This smartphone is going to be having a S7 processor from the Apple, and which is a really nice thing. Also on the top of it, it's gonna be having always on display, ECG, and that all the features which we were missing on the first generation of the SE, and it's gonna be having the latest and the greatest watch OS. It's kind of a really good news for the Apple Watch Series 8. One of the big features we were missing on the Series 7, body temperature monitoring. This gonna be having that thing, and testing is going on as per the main Ching Chow. If you are looking for a new iPhone for yourself, iPhone 13 128 gig version, a base version. In India, it is priced with the discount or cashback and each and everything added on the top of it, 35,000, around 35,000. I'm super really curious, because made in India and that all stuff is going on between Indias. So yeah, we're gonna be seeing a lot of discount. Wait for a good sale of the Flipkart and Amazon. We're gonna be seeing more future updates. And by the time gonna be Apple iPhone 14 series gonna be announced, we're gonna be seeing a massive update to our time. Samsung has just came up with the UFS 4.0 storage option, and as per me, we're gonna be seeing on that Z Fold devices, and I'm super excited to see how it stand out between the 3 and the 4. So yeah, we're gonna be seeing some different things. Also on the top of it, they have announced a different range of the SD cards. So if you are using SD card in this time, you can definitely grab those ones. So yeah, Samsung and Apple thing going on now. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 generation. Yeah, it is coming really soon. However, it won't be going to be having Wear OS as per some rumors. I don't know what they are doing. Last version they came up with the Wear OS. Now they are telling they won't be having. So yeah, it is typical Samsung thing going on. Also, it won't be having body temperature sensor. So Apple Watch 8 gonna be having that thing. So you have to wear two different watches, one for Android, one for iOS. Samsung has launched a new vacuum cleaner known by the Jet Codeless, which means no code in between, vacuum cleaner. It is priced in between of the 37,000 to 53,000. It's kind of expensive thing, but yeah, it looks really nice thing. Infinix. This is the upcoming smartphone of Infinix. This smartphone is going to be having a typical 108 megapixel sensor on the rear side, and sensor looks kind of real big, and followed by two different normal sensor, which gonna be 2 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth. I don't know, but I think it's gonna be having 8 megapixel sensor, and it is following that model trend design, which is that complete square out area, and it is going to be also having a 120 watt wired charging, which means the 120 watt power adapter inside the box. Everything is nice, but they should work on the operating system of their own and make it more fearless, so everything looks nice. Infinix Hot 12 Lite. This smartphone is creating a lot of hype for me because I'm super excited for the Infinix to based smartphones. Anyways, this smartphone is going to be having dual camera setup on the rear side, and it looks a lot like Infinix and new 12 design. So yeah, it looks really nice. Sony has launched a new TVs in India. This is Sony's Smart TV X75K, and this looks not like a smart TV. Anyways, if you have to talk about the pricing, it is priced around 56,000. Yeah, 55,990. it is only 10 rupees difference between 56,000. So yeah, really nice TV. It is a smart TV. So grab it up because Sony makes a lot of good displays. So if you are in USA, not in India, you can grab this TV, Sony Bravia XR 2022 Smart TV. And this smartphone, not the smartphone, smart TV. The smart TV is a typical price, the highest variant, $10,000. Yeah, so cheap, right? If you convert to Indian version, it is priced around 7,66,000. It is too much expensive, but many people can afford that type of TV, so you can grab one. These are Blade 2022. The smartphone, not the smartphone, the smart laptop. All laptops are smart from the first generation. This laptop has been launched. It is a typical price laptop, $3,500. But if you have to talk about the specification, NVIDIA GPU is that, which is a really nice thing. Intel i9 12th generation processor, which is again a really nice thing. 240Hz OLED display, which is again a really nice thing. But the pricing, I don't know anything about that thing. 3,500. It is nice for you or not nice for you? Let us know in the comment section down below. So they have launched two new speakers, which is Villain and Everton 2. These are the portable speakers, and they got the stack mode, which is a really nice thing. Which is really nice if you have one or two of same type of devices, then you can do that stereo type of thing. And it also got a really good pricing, $120, roughly around 10,000, under 10,000 in India. So it is really nice thing. If you are grabbing a new speaker, let us know in the comment section down below. That's all for today. We got some good smartphones. Yeah, smartphones, smartwatches news, and a laptop launch news. Anyways, what are your thoughts on this complete weekly tech update? So what do you think that it is common between all days nowadays? Let us know in the comment section down below. And it was kind of a typical rebranding and type of stuff going on between BBK Mobile, so you can say BBK Electronics. So what are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment section down below. By the way, this was Captain Diaz. You are watching QRS and DRS. Like it and share among your tech geeks to get them updated, and each and every one, to make sure each and everyone get updated with the latest tech updates. And press the bell icon for more content like this. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.